Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Remote Play connection failed errors using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken sharing links on your current setup session so your devices can talk to each other without any blockages. Step 1. Turn off and turn back on your sharing switch. The first step is to open your Application Options panel and flip your primary connection switch off and on again to clean out the initial linking memory rows. Click on the word Steam at the top left corner of your screen workspace, open your Settings box, click the row that says Remote Play, uncheck the main sharing box to turn it off, wait 5 seconds, and click it again to turn it back to blue. Watch the checkbox carefully to ensure it turns dark and then lights up bright blue again, confirming a fresh start. Because when your connection fails, it often means the two computers got confused while trying to shake hands through the network. By flipping this switch off and on, you force the software engine to drop its old lagging connection states completely. Without this step, your system will keep trying to use a broken lane that is already stuck. Step 2. Log out and log back in to your user account on both of your screen rows. Next, you need to sign out of your profile name on both of your screens to refresh your personal security pass and reset your login file rows. Move your pointer to the top menu line, click the word Steam, click the choice line that says Change Account, confirm that you want to sign out, and then type your password keys back in to log in fresh. Complete this account refresh on your main computer first, and then repeat the exact same steps on your second screen or television layout box. Because if your user account handshake gets old or mismatched in the background files, the system will block your screens from linking for safety reasons. Logging back in from scratch tells the master computer memory card that both devices belong to the exact same person. It ensures your account data paths stay straight, clean, and simple. Step 3. Tell your computer guard wall to allow the application pass. Now, you need to check your main computer's security shield rows to make sure your built-in safety program isn't accidentally blocking your second screen signals. Click your Windows Start button, type the word Firewall into your typing row, click Allow an app through Firewall, find the game application name in the long list, and check both the private and public boxes. Ensure that the checkmarks are bright and filled flat against the background view before clicking the OK button at the bottom. Because your computer has a protective guard wall that stops outside data from coming in, if this guard wall sees your second screen as an unknown stranger, it will drop the connection instantly. Checking these list rows gives the application a permanent hall pass to travel through your home network lines. It is the key step to getting the right output because it clears away the biggest invisible barrier. And that's it. To fix Steam Remote Play connection failed, you must first open your Remote Play menu and flip the main switch off and back on to reset the link rule. Then you log out of your account profile and sign back in on both of your screen rows. Next, you go into your computer's guard settings and check the firewall boxes to allow the application through your safety wall. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.